Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you sa pag-click ng aking video. Good day po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Sa mga bagong viewers at napadaan lang, by the way, I'm Titaeda. Welcome to my channel. Ang channel na maghahatid sa iyo ng dagdag kaalaman tungkol sa government services, bagong mga balita at informative videos na galing sa legit na resources. Mag-subscribe na para updated ka.
We back on to the NCSC with the hope that the activities intended for our senior citizens will be continued and completed at the earliest possible. So this application will not be possible without the active and guidance and leadership of our secretary, especially at the So without further ado again, we welcome the commissioners and the executive officials of this facility.
I'd like to thank the SWP for accompanying us in our journey as senior citizens. Kung wala ito lang support para sa kami magkaroon ng regular employees, kung wala hindi mabubuo yung mga programang national mission. But this time, I'd like to thank personally you, Secretary Fatimarian, for defending the You know, she has this brand, defending to the end. I saw her in Senate. She defends to the end. And this very document, she defends to the end. So I hope, I know that thank you is not enough. Not even Ramadan Karim is enough. Alia Safran, thank you very much for your efforts. And of course, I'd like to thank Secretary Rex for the leadership that is being provided and the inspiration that all the way he is supporting the senior citizens, even with this transition going on. So, having said all this, we would like to have a taste of the difficulty that the SWD is undergoing over all this work. Is in their hands by accepting the Apo, which in Bisaya is really the roof, which maybe Atin or maybe Buo, the theorists are saying this is the start. We start with the roof and go into the basic structures that we'll be going into.
Pero ni Pao said, very small to the department. So 1.7 million to be very blunt about it. We already need to have this revenue because it's the more symbolic way of doing it. We can just let it go, we can just exchange papers, true, but it's a step towards the right direction. We believe that it may be a small step, but it's a giant leap towards that direction of finally empowering efficacy to fulfill the mandate described by law. It's a long way to go. Alam natin, marami pa may centenarian pa tayong pag-usapan, may software pa tayong pag-usapan. Pero finally, after numerous transition meetings, disengagement, engagement meetings, it may be small, but it's a step towards the right direction. That's why we often have this simple ceremony to commemorate and to highlight the significance of what we're about to sign. 1.7 million, but that's 1.7 million worth of services that we can deliver to our elderly out there. And hopefully, hinalagaan ito na mabuti ng mga taga-departamento, ipapasa ko natin sa inyo, halagaan ito na mabuti. Naniniwala ako na mapapalagun nyo ito, and later on we can start talking about the bigger programs or the bigger paths in the department. Coincidentally, we look forward to, we understand that you have been asked to come up with the IRR for the amended centenarian law. And I think that's something that we are looking forward to. Ano na lang kami doon parang the way we see ourselves there, we were mentioned once or twice, but everything is really in the realm of the NCSC, the complete execution of that program, if I'm not mistaken. And we look forward to the output of the IR cards so that we can once again fulfill the mandate set forth for the NCSC. So that's it. Magandang umaga sa inyo.
If sa tingin mo, natulungan ka ng video ko na ito, nakasave ka sa oras mo, you can click yung thanks button at any amount ay malaking help sa pag-grow ng channel ko. Yun lang po muna ang aking update. Sana ay nakatulong na dagdag kaalaman ang aking shinare today. Ang goal ng aking channel ay mag-create ng awareness. Kung ganitong mga topic ang gusto mo, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko na ito. Thanks for watching! Kung may kapamilya, kaibigan o kakilala sa tingin mo ay magiging interesado sa video, please share or tag sila sa comment section. At syempre, if nagustuhan mo ang video, i-like mo na ito at subscribe ka na din. As always, feel free to write your questions, comments, and opinions respectfully. And continue to be a blessing and stay safe!